Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas clothes in Roblox. We'll cover 3 main avenues for finding festive attire. First, we'll explore the official avatar shop, a treasure trove of both free and Robux-priced items. Next, we'll dive into the exciting world of seasonal events, where exclusive, often free accessories await. Finally, we'll discover the vast collection of user-created clothing, offering unique and affordable options to complete your holiday look. The Avatar Shop is your primary destination for official Roblox holiday gear. You can easily access it from the main Roblox page. Once there, utilize the search bar to type in keywords like Christmas or holiday to see hundreds of festive options. Remember to use the filters for clothing and accessories to refine your search. You'll find items available for Robux and sometimes even free items during special promotions. Roblox frequently hosts exciting seasonal events that are perfect for acquiring free Christmas-themed items. These events often feature unique challenges or minigames where participation can earn you exclusive accessories and clothing. Make sure to regularly check the dedicated Events section on the Roblox website. By completing event objectives, you can unlock a variety of festive gear without spending any Robux, adding a special touch to your avatar. Beyond the official shop, the Roblox community offers a massive selection of user-created Christmas clothing. Head to the clothing section and use the search function for specific items like a Santa hat or an elf costume. You'll discover thousands of unique designs, many of which are very affordable, costing just a few Robux, and some are even completely free. This is a fantastic way to find truly unique holiday styles and support talented creators.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.